Hey everyone, and welcome to the Clear Cut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. One of the most asked questions I get every single week is, what is the best way to clean my engagement ring at home? Well, it's really simple, and you only need a few things to get a really deep clean at home. First thing you're gonna need is a bowl of warm water. And you wanna take a bowl of warm water, put a couple of drops of Dawn dish soap or any dish soap that's like grease fighting, a soft bristle toothbrush, and you're gonna want a soft paper towel. So take the soft bristle toothbrush, swirl up that soapy water, and you're just gonna wanna drop your ring in here and let it soak for like 10-15 minutes. This is a great thing to do when you get home or if you're cooking, just put it in the bowl of water and let it sit for a while. After it sits, you're gonna take the soft bristle toothbrush and scrub it in all the nooks and crannies, get all that grease and grime out of your ring, and then you're gonna rinse it off. You can do it just in the sink, but definitely make sure you cover the drain because you don't want to have any accidents, or you can put it back in your soapy water. But then you just want to tap it dry really gently with a towel or a soft paper towel so it doesn't scratch anything, and your ring will look as good as new. If you ever want a deeper clean, this is kind of like a weekly thing or bi-weekly thing. I probably do this like once a month just because I'm a little bit lazy. I should be doing it every 2 weeks. If you really want a clean ring, once a week is fine. But anything deeper, like a deep clean, steam polishing before your wedding or a photo shoot, you can send that to us and we take care of that complimentary. A lot of you also asked me about the ultrasonic cleaner. That's something that's totally fine as long as you don't have pave diamonds or small diamonds in your ring. The ultrasonic is a machine that you can buy online that also kind of just basically does this, but shakes out the dirt. I still like to go in with a soft toothbrush after the ultrasonic, but if you have any pave diamonds, do not use the ultrasonic because it can shake your pave out of its setting. And it's really only safe for diamonds. Don't use any other gemstones in there, definitely not pearls, emeralds, it's just too dangerous. This is a safe alternative to just clean at home. If you need a deeper clean, send it to the jeweler. Let me know if you have any other questions, and class is dismissed.